AI deep scan active. Life detected. 3. Thermal signature stable.
We've got him. Clear the area. Pull him out slowly. Easy now. Get these blankets on him quickly. Don't be afraid. You're safe now. We will rebuild your home, stronger, warmer, and even better than before.
We've just rescued this wonderful elderly couple and their loyal dog from under the rubble. Seeing them lose everything was heartbreaking, so we decided to take action and build them a brand new, incredibly reliable and strong home. A place where they can finally feel safe and start a new chapter of their lives. Let me show you what we've created for them. Welcome to their new living room. We wanted them to feel absolute warmth and safety. This floor might look like real glowing lava, but it's actually a perfectly smooth anti-slip surface with a powerful heating system. Now, their feet will always be warm and there's no risk of slipping. With the cozy stone fireplace, it's the ultimate safe haven for them and their dog to relax in the evenings.
Let's clear every inch of this space first, and clean foundation means perfect construction ahead.
These clips lock every heating line perfectly in place, and this floor system will keep this home warm through every winter storm. This concrete layer protects the heating system and creates the strong, perfectly level foundation for everything that comes next. Careful with this lock, and we need every connection secure and perfectly aligned before we close these walls.
Now we seal everything behind strong, clean walls, giving this room both beauty and perfect structure.
Every flower we plant brings warmth, life, and beauty into this home, even with winter just beyond these windows. This protective resin seals every flower in timeless beauty, creating a floor that feels like preserved nature beneath your feet.
Every careful pass reveals the hidden beauty beneath this floor.
Next is the kitchen. Since winter can feel long and gloomy, we brought the endless summer inside. The floor is a stunning 3D flower meadow. Just imagine, they can look out the window at the freezing snow while standing in a blooming garden. We also designed the kitchen island and cabinets to be easily accessible, so cooking is comfortable and puts zero strain on their backs.
Every final detail brings warmth, beauty, and function into this mountain home.
These handcrafted stools bring warmth and comfort, perfectly matching the mountain home. Lighting transforms everything, giving this room its final cozy character.
Every detail adds soul to this kitchen, turning it into a truly welcoming family space.
Larger stones create the foundation, giving this landscape authentic mountain character. Adding moss and organic details makes the floor feel truly alive, like untouched alpine terrain. We're sealing the landscape, not burying it, so every stone remains beautifully visible. Power drill up. Clear below. A properly installed electrical system is the backbone of a safe and efficient home. Precision matters here. Every line must be perfectly routed for long-term safety and performance. These structural beams bring warmth, strength, and authentic mountain character to the entire home.
Natural wood detailing transforms raw construction into a refined, welcoming living space.
These wide window seats offer a beautiful, comfortable place to relax, watch snowfall, and enjoy the mountain view in total comfort.
These insulated stone walls will keep the home warmer, safer, and more energy efficient for comfortable year-round living.
For the bedroom, tranquility was our main focus. We created an incredible floor illusion of a deep, crystal-clear mountain lake framed by beautiful, natural wood aesthetics. It's incredibly calming. We also built these wide, comfortable windowsills. They're low and safe, the perfect spot for them to sit, read a book, and pet their loyal dog while enjoying the view.
This skylight fills the bathroom with beautiful natural light, creating freshness, openness, and a healthier living space.
Soft natural lighting reduces strain, boosts energy, and creates a calm, welcoming atmosphere for daily wellness.
Carefully shaped stone pathways create safer movement, natural elegance, and long-term comfort in this wellness space. Precision stone installation provides durability, stability, and a beautifully balanced spa environment for daily relaxation.
Precise wood framing around the skylight strengthens structure while adding warmth, craftsmanship, and beautiful natural character.
Burnt wood finishing enhances durability, deepens texture, and creates a luxurious spa-like ceiling design filled with natural elegance. This handcrafted vanity and large mirrors create both beauty and function, offering comfort, elegance, and a luxurious daily wellness experience. This spacious soaking tub and natural stone sinks create a deeply relaxing wellness space designed.
These thoughtful storage details and spa accessories bring warmth, convenience, and peaceful luxury to everyday self-care.
And finally, we couldn't just give them a regular bathroom. We built a healing tropical oasis. Surrounded by lush greenery, it feels like a private spa. The pathways are textured stone to prevent slipping, and the large stone tub is perfectly designed for easy access. It's the ultimate place to soak, relieve aching joints, and simply forget about all the hardships they've been through.
Thank you for giving us this beautiful new life, this warmth, and this home filled with love.
Hey, my friend. We just witnessed something truly moving together. Seeing the relief in the eyes of this elderly couple and their loyal dog. It reminds us why we do this. For us, every video is about more than just a rescue. It's about pure kindness and looking out for our elders and our furry friends. We couldn't just leave them with nothing. This new home we built for them isn't just big and high-tech. It's a fortress of peace. We designed it so they never have to feel afraid again, no matter what happens. If this story touched your heart, please join our family and subscribe. I'd love to know, which room in their new home felt the most special to you? Leave a comment below. See you in the next one.